Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian and today we have a new dance tutorial for you. The song called RIC FLAIR Drip by Offset and Metroboomin. So let's start. Okay, let's start. So first, you gotta go close your legs first, then head, switch, and clap. But when you clap it, raise your left knee, then open your legs. Open your legs. It goes like this. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's try. 5, 6, 7, and then 1 and 2. Next, you're gonna raise your right knee, 3 and 4. Okay? Again, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then you're gonna drag your legs 5 and 6 and open and 7 and 8. Let's try again. Continuously 5, 6, 7 and do 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay? From here you're gonna go push. Make sure your fingers facing your palm here, facing your face. Because you're gonna go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third day. So from so hot. 7. Okay, from third day, you're gonna go 1 up, 2, close, 3 and 4. From here, 5, 6, no, and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2. Close 3 and 4. Side 5, 6, no, 8. Good job. For the last 8. So 7, 8. Roll 1. Knee up. 2, 3, and 4. Hit it on 5, 6, and 7, both up and 8. Let's try that quick. 7 from here. Try quick. 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and stop. 8. Good job. Okay, guys, let's try everything from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, side 5, 6, no, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, hook, 6 and 7, 8. Good job. There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to leave us a comment and like the video. If you have suggestions of the music that we want you to teach, just put it on the comment section. And thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.